Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on Paybis. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To buy Ethereum on Paybis app, tap open your Paybis application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Before buying Ethereum on Paybis, make sure that you have enough balance in your wallet. Once you do, tap the buy button from the main home page. Now, from the exchange tab, go and select your fiat currency from the drop-down that says USD. Select your payment method from the left-hand side menu and select your fiat currency from the right menu. Once you do that, go ahead and type in the amount of USD you're willing to spend in order to buy Ethereum. Now, on the next field where it says you receive, tap on the drop-down and select Ethereum. You'll be able to see the amount of Ethereum you'll receive on the next field. Finally, tap on Buy Ethereum button at the bottom and complete your transaction on the next page. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to buy Ethereum on your Paybis wallet. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.